right, we got yet another brand new one. And before I can even get inside, look at the state of these pavers. That's nice. Outside, a lot of the usual. Where the paint finish, can't even really tell that much. Needs paint here. Lots of areas around the front door need paint. You can see the sloppy paint work right up there. Paint needed right here. That's the light blue primer showing through. And then, as always with these houses, the nail holes in the siding. I mean, they're just everywhere. Not a single one's been sealed up. They're just all over the place. Looking at some of these windows, you can kind of tell on camera the paint's a little thin on the side of that window frame. Needs some touch-up work. They tried to seal some stucco cracks and definitely didn't get the right paint there. And then some of these windows, let me find a good one. Here we go. Got big old gaps around the frames. All around the second floor. That one's not too bad. Same thing back here. Big gaps. More stuff to seal up. Normal type stuff. Let me take you inside, see what we got in there. All right, coming inside here. I'm gonna spare you all the cosmetic stuff. We'd be here for 6 hours looking at all that. We'll just start off with the good stuff back here. This corner and this corner. This one's not so bad, but you can see the moisture stain on the drywall, just a little bit on the baseboard. But this side is really bad. And whatever caused it looks like it's active. So if we bring the meter over here, it's a little high, but it's normal-ish. That's very high. So whatever caused this, there's still moisture there. I don't know if somebody left the slider open and it got some rain in here, but that's for the builder to figure out, not me. Then in the kitchen here, the upstairs is pretty good. Nothing too crazy up there, mostly cosmetic stuff. But this kitchen just is not great. The backsplash is already pulling away from the wall. Several cabinet hinges, just very loose. These cabinets down here, we'll start with this one. Cabinet guy put the door hinge on the wrong side, then switched it and just left the damage there. I'm not even sure how you do this on brand new cabinets. That's nice. A little bit more over here. The cabinet face is pulling away a little bit from the base here. And then, will it show up? Oh, it will show up. That's some moisture damage here from a leak that I've dried up several times and it keeps leaking. This fitting back here for the garbage disposal leaks. Big glob of sealant sticking down there for you. And one last thing to add here on my way out. The sprinkler timer doesn't work. It's running. Doesn't matter if it's on or bypassed. It's hard to see. That's green though. So the sensor's not wet. It just doesn't work. And this cover for the meter can doesn't fit on here real well. So you never know. You always need inspection. Could be small stuff, could be, moisture staining on your back wall by your sliding glass door, or your electric meter cover pulling away.